There are many products available to choose car air freshener, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car air freshener from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yankee Candle Midsummer's Night Sidekick Vent Clip Fragrance Kit. Since deciding which car air freshener to use is so personal, we're always impressed with products that give the consumer as many options as possible. The Yankee Candle Sidekick features dispensers in vent clip, visor clip, and hanging forms that all take the same refill. A starter kit contains 1 dispenser and 2 refills, each of which the brand claims lasts for 30 days. Our lab pros appreciate the novelty of using the same refills for different forms of car air fresheners. It seems so obvious, yet it's so uncommon. We also love that there are scents that mimic some of Yankee Candle's most beloved candle scents, like pink sands and clean cotton. If you're already a fan of the brand's candles, you'll easily find a perfect freshener for your car. On the downside, some users say the scent doesn't linger for as long as they'd hoped. Number 2. Little Trees Car Air Freshener. These hanging air fresheners are a massively popular pick for keeping your car smelling nice year-round. They're simple, easy to install, and do exactly what they claim: replace your less palatable car scents with more preferable ones. We are particularly impressed with the sheer number of scents available, 40 on Amazon. While some drivers may not like the distraction of a dangling item in their view, we can't help but admire the simplicity that these offer. If you don't want to hang it from your mirror, you can get creative and tie it around a vent adjuster, door handle, or even a headrest. And who said you had to keep them in the car? They're versatile enough to hang anywhere you want, a fresh boost. Number 3. Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refresher. This innovative pick from Meguiar's works a little differently from the rest of the air fresheners on our list. While most spray bottle air fresheners simply have you spray an inconspicuous place in your car, this air freshener is a scent bomb that claims to eliminate odor by using the air circulation in your car. Simply close all your windows and doors, turn your air conditioner on high, and activate the canister's locking trigger. Leave the car for 15 minutes, then open all the doors and allow your vehicle to air out for an additional 10 to 15 minutes before hitting the road. While it isn't as expedient as many other air fresheners, users say it's both easy to use and highly effective. One user says it cleared up smoke smells from a nearby forest fire. Another said the scent lingered for months. Number 4. Febreze Car Air Freshener Vent Clip. There's a reason we named these the best car air fresheners in our roundup of the best air fresheners for every room in your home. The minimalist design looks at home on your car's dashboard. They start working instantly as your car circulates hot or cold air, and they can last up to a month. One tester was particularly enthused by the design, saying, "It's nice and small, and the black color blends perfectly into my vents and leather dashboard." Some users also note the minimalistic vent clip design is preferable to a swinging or hanging air freshener, which can distract while driving. In our testing, we noticed the scents may be a bit overbearing when first installed, but these clips are equipped with a dial on the back that lets you adjust the amount of fragrance released, so you can easily tune them to your preferences. The brand claims they last for a full 40 days on low. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Signature Scent Premium Air Freshener and Odor Eliminator. If you don't like the feeling of a vent clip blowing scented air toward your face as you drive, a more subtle approach may be better. Chemical Guys makes a great smelling air freshener in a spray format that lets you have more control over your air freshening application. Testers were pleased by the spray's uniquely sweet and leathery scent that some Amazon reviewers compared to the Air Spencer CSX3, meaning this may well be a more accessible dupe. While we liked the spray format, we noticed that upon first using it, the nozzle can get a little clogged and deposit more of a stream of liquid than a true mist, so you may want to do a couple of test sprays before applying to avoid depositing too much at once. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.